Hey, hello. This is Bruno Souza again. We're continuing our testing here. There's a little bit better lighting now, not amazing better light, but when I was finishing my previous video a minute ago, I saw on the chat a question. I didn't catch the name of the person, but and I can't see right now, but I saw on the chat someone asking about how to move from a beginner Java developer to become a more advanced Java developer, right? So I decided to just kind of press record again and share one more video here with you to actually answer this question, because I think it's a very, very important question. How do I advance, right? How do I move up in my career? How I become better? And look, there's just one way for you to become better at anything, right? There is practice, right? And not any kind of practice, right? There is one type of practice we call that you practice with the intent, right, of being of becoming better, right? So it's not every practice that actually makes you better, right? We practice, for you to practice with the intent of becoming better. Basically, what you need to do is that you have to practice outside of your comfort zone, what we call deliberate practice, that's practice outside of your comfort zone, is practice that deliberately focus on improving. That is the only way that you can actually make that's going to help you move to more advanced. So how do you do this? How do you do this with Java or any other technology, any other thing that you're doing? Well, you have to figure out what are the things that you don't know, right? And then you practice to learn those things. It's not about reading lots of books. It's not about watching lots of videos on YouTube. It's about going and doing it. So go do a little project, go experiment, go do something in real life. It doesn't need to be big. It needs to be something that you don't know, right? It has to be outside of a comfort zone. So it has to be a little bit above the things that you know today. And you can do this. It doesn't require you hours and hours and hours. You can do this, 15 minutes a day or half an hour a day, or half an hour in the morning, half an hour at night. Those, 1 hour a day, for example, makes a huge difference. You can grow a lot. But if you just keep doing the same thing that you did before, if all you do is, work with the same things the same way you did before, or write the same kind of code that you did before, or just kind of read the same kind of things, if you just do something that you feel very comfortable with, that's not deliberate practice. Deliberate practice always works outside of the comfort zone. So, so go experiment with things a little bit outside of your comfort zone. Doesn't need to be everything at the same time. Just one thing, right? So one for a week. Experiment with one thing. Go deep. It's better to go deep than wide, right? So it's not about learning a little bit of everything. It's about learning a lot about one thing, right? And go deep a little bit. So choose, I want to learn lambdas, right? So spend a week, right, going deeper and deeper and deeper in lambdas, right? 15 minutes every day or 30 minutes every day. Let me tell you this: deliberate practice is a daily thing. It's not. It works. It's a lot better for you to do 15 minutes every day than it's for you to do 4 or 5 hours in the weekend, right? So because your brain needs this time, your brain needs to try and see that it's hard, and then rest a little bit, and so next day you try again and rest a little bit. So for example, instead of you spending 3 hours, right, it's better that you try for an hour, rest, try for a little bit more, rest. It's that you break this down. So your brain needs this time, right? So it's better that you do 15 minutes every day. Could be 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the afternoon, or 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the afternoon. That would be already deliberate, right? Forget everything else. Stop reading Facebook and WhatsApp and all those kind of things at the same time. Just kind of focus for those 30 minutes. I'm just going to focus on this. I'm going to try something that I don't know. I'm going to try something that's outside of my comfort zone. So, thanks for the question. If you want to improve in Java or any other technology, do 15 minutes, 30 minutes every single day, and that's going to make a huge difference. And especially if it's out of your comfort zone. If that's something that you don't know exactly how to do it, that it's your experiment and you're feeling uncomfortable, that's exactly the moment that you're learning. Okay, so thanks a lot. Thanks for the question. And if anyone have any more questions, you can always ask on the comments below. I'm going to be answering all the questions here on YouTube. Okay, thanks a lot.